Nothing can stop me. I'm all the way up. All the way up. I'm all the way.
Nothing can stop me, I'm all the way up. Good song, right? Got a catchy line though, and clearly means I believe in myself. Self belief, confidence are extremely important in every aspect of our lives. Yet, so many people struggle to find it. Low confidence can be a result of many factors. Maybe we have the fear of unknown. We are afraid of criticism. We are unhappy about our personal appearance. We lack knowledge, poor time management, and previous failures of life. All this result in low confidence. This can happen with anyone. I don't know why I remember a phrase here shared by my commerce teacher, which is like past experiences, present conditions, and future expectations. I use this whenever I'm stuck, and I do not know why, but I work efficiently and I'm able to think clearly with this. Well, today I'm here to talk about a few ways which can help you think differently and eventually you feel confident of yourself. Confidence is not something which can be learned like a set of rules. It is a state of mind. Positive thinking, practice, knowledge, talking to other people are all useful ways to help you improve, boost your confidence levels. You know, it comes from the feeling of well-being, acceptance of your body and mind, belief in your own abilities, skills and experiences. Do you accept your personal appearance? Do you believe in your abilities? If your answer is yes, definitely you are a confident person. Talking about few more ways which can help us gain confidence is to think about your life and list 10 best things you've achieved. Could be, perhaps your recent test scores, you got all A's. You cooked something really delicious. Your performance on stage. Another is to think about what is really important to you and what do you want to achieve with your life. Setting and achieving goals is a key part of this, and real confidence comes from this. Set goals that exploits your strengths, minimize your weaknesses, realize your opportunities, and control the threats you face. Human minds, my friend, the mind plays a lot of games. So you need to start managing your mind. Learn to pick up and defeat the negative talk which destroys your self-confidence. Try these things and let me know if this works. And always remember, if you commit to nothing, you will be distracted by everything. Let us all sing together. Nothing can stop me, I'm all the way up. Nothing can stop me, I'm all the way up.